Question number 10.1, question 1 says, how many tangents can be drawn or can a circle have? Hence, as you know, the circle is made up of infinite numbers of points. You cannot count. As you know, a circle having infinite number of points on its surface means on the circle there are infinite numbers of points, and you know, tangent, a single tangent can touch a circle only one point. As there are numbers of points means infinite numbers of points are there on the circle, so there is a chance or there is infinite number of tangent a circle can have. So answer is infinite. Okay. Again I am writing as infinite numbers of points are present on this circle. So there are infinite numbers of tangent a circle can have. Okay. Next question is a tangent to a circle intersect how many points? As I have already told, if I take a single point, so tangent can touch. Single tangent can touch a single point on the circle. So answer is 1 point. Okay. Next tangent can touch another point. So a single tangent can touch or intersect a circle at 1 point. Right. Next question is 2i. A line intersecting a circle into 2 points. Okay. A line intersecting a circle at 2 points means it is a circle, line intersecting. Okay, so it's called what? It's called secant. The line intersecting a circle in 2 points A and B, that is known as what? That is known as secant. Okay. Question number 3 is means 3i is a circle can have parallel tangent at dash point. How many points? Okay, that means this circle parallel means if I take a tangent here, touches a single point. If I take a tangent here, touches another single point, that line becomes parallel. Okay, so parallel means 2 lines, but 2 tangent they touch the circle at 2 points. So answer is 2 points. You can take this like this. You can take like this. Means a single point, 2 tangent touch. Okay. So if the tangent is face to face each other, looking like parallel, obviously they have 2 points of touch. 2 points of touching on the circle. Right. Second question is the common point of a tangent to a circle is called point of contact. Okay. Question number 3. The common point of a tangent common point of a tangent to a circle is called what? A common point of a tangent to a circle means a tangent is a line, okay? It is also made up of multiple points. Circle is also made up of multiple points, but here the tangent point and the circle single point, they touch each other. That's why this is known as point of contact. That means the tangent and circle, they touch each other at a single point. That point is known as point of contact because at that point the tangent and circle, they touch each other. Now let us do another question, question number 2. Question number 2 is given that a tangent at a point P. Suppose this is a circle. At any point P, you take the tangent. Okay. Here is the center O or C. O, for example, take a center O. Okay. Now a tangent at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. If you take from point to the center, that is known as radius having the length 5 centimeter. Okay. That meets a line means meets a line through center. That means this tangent if I take that means a length from O, from the center, it will meet at some point. Okay, that means a line through the center at a point Q. For example, if I draw from center to that tangent, that point of intersection will be Q, and you know that the angle between the tangent and the radius is 90 degrees. Now see, it becomes a right angle triangle here. Means P, O and Q. Okay. And again, it is given OP is 5 centimeter and this OQ is 12 centimeter. Means whenever we join between, we take a line from center and it will meet the tangent somewhere, that length is 12 centimeter. Right. This is a right angle triangle. This is 12 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Now we need to find what is PQ. It will follow the right angle triangle formula. That means the here PQ is equal to OQ, which is more, that is OQ square minus OP square root of, right? You know that. And this is 12 square minus 5 square root over. That is 144 minus 25 square root over. So final answer is your 10.9. Answer is 10.9 centimeter. That means this line this is 5, this is 12, this is 10.9 centimeter. This is P, this is O, this is 2. You need to understand the question first. Then you have to draw the line. Then you can find the answers. Right? So I hope you understand this video. I have already solved various questions from 10.2 also. Please follow my next video, where I have solved all the problems of this circle. And if you like this video and understand this well, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EduNext Academy. Because if you don't subscribe, my next video will not be notified to you soon. And thank you for watching.